Hello guys, this is Miss Jocelyn Flamenco and today we're going to learn about countries and nationalities. We have to ask, where are they from? What are their nationalities? So let's start. Here we have some countries and their nationalities. Let's start with El Salvador. This is Maria Isabel. She is from El Salvador and she's Salvadorian. We said she's from El Salvador when we are answering to the question, where are you from? El Salvador is the country. And what is her nationality? We have to answer she is Salvadorian. Salvadorian is the nationality. Let's continue. This is Daniel. He is from England. England is the country and his English is the nationality. This is Angel Merkel. She is from Germany. Germany is the country and she is German. German is the nationality. This is Cristiano Ronaldo. He is from Portugal. Portugal is the country and his Portuguese is the nationality. This is Rafael Nadal. He is from Spain and he is Spanish. Spain is the country and Spanish is the nationality. This is Bill Gates. He is from the USA and he is American. The USA is the country and his American is the nationality. This is Yelena Eisenbejev. She's from Russia and she's Russian. In this case, Russia is the country and Russian is the nationality. This is Ronaldinho. He is from Brazil and he is Brazilian. Brazil is the country and Brazilian is the nationality. Where is he from? He is from Italy and he is Italian. Italy is the country and Italian is the nationality. Okay, here we have Mary is from England. She's English. Okay, guys, these are some of the examples about countries and nationalities. Here you have some exercises that you have to answer according to the flag that they are wearing as a shirt, like this. So you have to answer those exercises that are going to be uploaded on the Classroom platform. That's all for now. Bye.